today's class, and in today's class we will be looking at have form verbs. So basically under the auxiliary verbs, we've already looked at the do form verbs and the be form verbs. So what is remaining is the have form verbs. Now when I say have form verbs, have actually has the meaning of a possessive form. For example, when I possess something, I use the verb have. And have can be used as the main verb as well as an auxiliary verb. Let me give you an example. I have a pencil. So when I say this, I have a pencil, it actually means that I possess a pencil. So when I possess something, we generally use have. And in this case, have is not just a helping verb, it is the main verb in this particular sentence. Because there's no other verb, have is actually used in the sense that I possess something. So have here is used as a main verb as well. So now in general, if you have to look at have verbs, all of them are used in this meaning of possessing something. And when we talk about the have form verbs, we generally have three different forms under have verbs. Have, has, and had. Now have and has represent the the present tense, and had stands for the past tense. Now among these three forms, have and has represent the present tense and had stands for the past tense. Now, when I say present tense, it actually means that I'm talking about a present possession. When I possess something in the present, I either use has or have. Now, for example, I have a house. Meaning, right now I have a house. I own a house or I possess a house right now. When I say I had a house, it means in the past I had a house, but right now I probably don't have a house. So that's why we say I had a house. Alright, so this is with present and past usage of have verbs. Now let's look at specifically where we can use have and where we can use has. Now when I say has, we generally have the verbs with s that are used in case of singulars, like I said already. So has is used with all singulars. And for example, if we look at the pronouns, we actually use he, she, and it. With these ones, we generally tend to use has. It has beautiful eyes. He has a car. She has a bike. Now, when we use individuals or individual people, then we tend to use has. Amrita has a pet. He has a bike. Alright, so when we're talking about individuals, we generally tend to use has. And have is used in case of all plurals. So in case of all plurals and I is an exception here as well. So with all plurals and I, we generally tend to use have. For instance, I have a house. They have fun. Alright, means they generally have fun. Now, the boys have class. Boys is again plural, so here we tend to use have. So whenever we talk about plurals, we always use have, and when it is singular, we generally tend to use has. Now, where do we use had? Had, like I told you already, is used in case of past possessions, when you had something earlier but you don't have it right now. We've already looked at an example, I had a house, meaning I had a house in the past but I don't have it right now. And had, irrespective of whether it is singular or plural, you will still continue to use had in the past form. Now, have, has, and had, all three of them, they generally mean possession. And in the past, if you possess something and you don't have that right now, you generally use had. So, had is common for singular and for plural. They had a house, we had a house, they had class. Whatever it is, you always use had, which is common for the past tense. One more thing that you should remember with regard to have form verbs is that we always use have form verbs with V3. Have is always used with V3. Now, what is V3? V3 actually means the past participle form of the verb. Now, let's pick an example. When I say drink, Drink is the V1 verb. Drank is the V2 verb. And drunk is the V3 verb. Now this is the V3 verb. Whenever you have the V3 verb, you always use the V3 verb with either have, has or had. If it is in the present tense, you will either use have or has. And if it is in the past tense, you use had. Alright. We look at this in detail in the coming classes. But for now, remember that have is always used along with, have form verbs are always used along with V3 forms of the verbs.